What?
Baliktad.
Baliktad. Hawak mo. Grace is correct, Ken.
Wait, let's do an intro. No, we're in the vibe. Okay, you have to refer. Welcome.
Go, Bubbles.
Academic.
I'm done. Ay, done na.
Okay. Video in...
Ken. Ken.
Dalaw kamera.
And the bubble should be relaxing, not tiring. Okay? It's not that
Relax ka ba?
relaxing when you're doing the bubble.
Balaga. Ken.
Okay, good job. Next.
Underwater.
Go. Okay, good job. Take note of the head position. Don't flip the head like this while doing it. Chin on the chest. Okay, clear? Go.
Nice one.
Practice the proper position. Oh, nice. See, when the head is down, you'll not have a hard time kicking. Again, go.
up.
Pupunta yan mamaya.
Okay, nice dive. Luis, ready? Go.
Pinato.
Walang.
Hey, stay on the left. Stay on the left.
Yeah.
Above the tree, right? Clear the way, clear the path. Clear the path, clear the path.
So do the same thing. You're
Ready? Go.
That's why the force is only...
Go. Naka-play na. Ready? Go. Okay?
Ayan. Push nyo yung ano, kick nyo yung wall para malayo yung mararating. Yun, like that. That's why it's called glide, diba? Nagugutom na. Wow!
Up. 1. 4.
I think we
Okay,
need more
ready?
space.
Position. Head up. Face the body 45 degrees. Bend the water all the way to the back, then hand up. Okay? Bawak. Ready? Go.
Tell them to move. Huwag pa daw doon.
Up. Pull. Up. Pull.
Oh, sige. Huwag pa daw kayo ng van.
Right foot forward naman, Ken. Left naman. Switch. Kailangan mo kayong dalawa.
Julia, wait, no, I can't. I forgot to put goggles. Jump scare. Jump scare technique.
You do it, I will tap you if you're doing it right or not. Lift the body when getting the air, get the air on the right. Shift the air in the mouth. Going down, bubble. Okay? Ready?
Naman buong kilay. Ang taas lang ng kilay. Ay, tita!
Can move.
Go na, go, go, go. Game, game.
Excuse me.
One.
Oh. Oh, wait. Ow!
Then bubble. Face the shoulder. Bilang yun eh. Okay, shoulder, shoulder. Okay, Okay, stop.
Stop daw, stop.
Stop, everyone. Stand up. Right place. Stop moving the heel. Make it 50. Okay, 10 times. Right, left.
I'm joking.
Right, left. Okay, that's the movement. Imagine you have a neck break.
Tumayaw,
The
kilay.
head can only move by twisting the torso. Okay,
Exercise?
upper body. Hold the chest.
Okay. I want joking.
Hold, right. Middle. Left. Go. Right. Left. Right. Left. Okay, you move. Be familiar with the movement.
Sumasay.
Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right.
Two more.
Left.
Which side is your best? This is your best side.
Okay, you do it with
I
the,
don't know. Mine's both.
hold the wall, the left hand.
Whatever.
Okay, hold the chest. Go. Take a step. Okay. Hold your right hand over chest.
Yeah.
But you need to twist the shoulder. Okay. Shoulder, free through, left ear. The wall. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Let's go in. Let's not get forward. Twist. Okay, twist the shoulder. Twist the shoulder. Exaggerate the twist of the shoulder. Okay, go on now.
Oh, there's more.
You know the camera.
I know. There's water in my ear. Aray ko.
Ito sa unit yan. Head down. Twist. Shoulder.
Oh, switch. No twist. Ano ba yan?
Twist. Shoulder muna. Shoulder.
When you drop, try.
Go. Go.
What go? You know I never got Cody's name.
Go down.
Stop. Stop.
Okay, twist the shoulder. Asam, twist. You're not breathing up, down, up, down. No. Twist. Make your... You're not breathing up, down. Okay?
I don't think you should move your head. You should just move your
Right.
head.
That's why we're doing the twist.
Then how will you breathe? Yeah, no, like, cause, di ba sabi ni Coach, parang brace. Oh, that's what I meant.
Okay. Breathe, you need to breathe. Twist the shoulder.
Kala ko stop. Ano ba yan?
Oh, we're not breathing that way. Not up, down. Only down. Twist.
Eyes hurt.
Okay. Drop the shoulder.
Again.
Okay, like that only, huh? Got it? And check it one by one. Keep doing it. Okay.
Take your time.
Hop it down. Okay, good job. Go ahead. Go. Twist the shoulder. Twist the shoulder.
No.
Okay, back. Bring back the shoulder. Twist. Bring back the shoulder. Twist. Okay, good job, Ken. Okay, Julie. Luis. Okay, good job. William. Okay. Okay.
Very good.
Head down. Stop na kayo. Sige. Sige, go.
Ow! Yeah! He's not having good! He said I did good. No. He said Julia. He said me first, right? He's like, because you were there first. Very good. Whatever, I'm joking. I thought you said you want to say. Yeah. I can go. She's No, why am I doing this? My mom will post this and then my friend. I know, that's why I was like, why? You were like this, and I was like, oh yeah.
Okay, stop. Okay na.
Just do this.
Okay.
Julia.
Bubble.
Bro.
Get the camera. Bubbles ka.
Party! I'm gonna be the prettiest girl in the party.
On the hip, that's the time you twist. Pull first, hip. You need to pull first, twist. Then back. Without roll, twist the same time. No. Roll. Yes. Twist. Then the fall twist.
You're trying to balance yourself, right? Yeah. It's not that you're flexing your body. You're flexing some muscle. Why do you need to flex it? Yes, because you're trying to balance. See, I'm not trying to balance it. I'm just trying to
Okay, one more thing. When the stroke finishes, that's the time you twist. Okay? Before the
I look so stupid.
one more. That's the time you twist.
If you like know me, change another tab.
Go.
Why we look so chalk?
relax. Yeah. I think first thing your back number.
Okay. Alright. Okay, good job, Michael.
Ah. Hey guys. Oh my god, look at that.
Good job. Okay, Ken. Okay, Julie. Okay, good job. Okay, Julia. Okay. Okay. Oh, get there. Open the mouth. When you're twisted.
Okay, let's go. He said,
Left-handed
okay,
pa,
Julia. Is that good?
Right lang. Ginagawa mo nga sa left eh. Okay. Stop muna. Okay, hindi kayo magbabubble. Ano, naka-twist, hindi magbabubble. You get the air. Magbabubbles ka lang pag yung ulo nasa baba. Baliktad.
Look at my eyebrows.
Kayo rin.
I love my eyebrows.
Twist, get there. Okay.
Oh my god, look
Okay,
at my hair. It looks like a slip. Do you see that? That looks like a slip. Yeah. Or like a leaf. Bro, look at this. Long hair.
Put forward. Yan. Yan, okay. Okay, bubbles. We move on. Stop here. Bubbles.
There, I tuck it in. I'm done.
Bubbles.
To darling, don't be. Oh, bubbles.
Right? So we glide. After we
My eyes hurt. Six, seven. You know what I saw underwater? I saw Tita Julie and Ken. No, Tita Julie was doing 6-7 underwater and then Ken was doing a full 360 underwater. Three kids.
Itayin mo lang doon para malay tayo. Ba't ito yung likod ng... Oh, hindi pa mo.
Stopping. That's the time you kick, flutter kick, then pull the arm. Pull the arm. Okay, in general term, why do we pull the arm? For us to move forward.
Where do you
So we
focus
want
on?
to pull the arm. Ready? Imagine your hand is the paddle.
Which muscle do you focus on?
Okay. Which consists of the palm and the forearm.
Thigh bone, right?
So we can,
So you're
we
not
don't use
using
the
your back
bicep, only the palm and the forearm.
your back muscle of the muscle.
Imagine you have a paddle, pull, you want to pull the water from the back.
You're not doing your shoulders or your back muscle. But what you're doing is you're doing it. Right? When you breathe. Right.
So you
So
need to
if
bend
you
the
move or
elbow
you breathe,
on the elbow.
look,
So you pull the after pulling. Okay,
use your head and your neck only. Okay.
stand up, back up. No, stand up only.
Can you do that?
So when you pull, you twist. Middle. Stand up, squat. Shoulder hip, same thing. Same level. Pull. When you pull in, bend the elbow. Bend the elbow. Okay. Position, ready. 2, 1, right. Left. All the way. And then use the water to
I
the
do not put weight on the ball.
right.
I use weight.
Left.
This is just a guide.
2.
Because eventually
Right.
you will move it, you will do it.
Left.
So how will you
3. Right. Left. 4. Right. Left. 5. Right. Left.
Yes,
6.
your leg.
Right.
Relax.
Left.
Relax more.
7. Right.
Six.
Left. 8. Right. Left. 9. Right. Left. 10. Stop. Double. Left. So make space. Adjust. So that's stable. Pull.
Yeah, you have to come forward.
You don't hit each other. Okay. Squat. Shoulder and the wrist. Same level. Pull. Okay, ready. Position. Pull the water, not the air, ha? Down. Pull it down. One tip. One tip. Point the finger down. Make tension on the forearm.
Sorry,
Like
I
your-
accidentally splashed.
This, lock it in, lock, pull. Okay. Lock. Lock along there.
Oy, nakukuha mo naman na.
Okay. Lock.
Mo.
Then roll the shoulder. Pull. Okay. Here. Make sure point the finger down. Lock the arm. Boom. Okay. But not like this. No, don't pull the water like this. Then from the elbow. Okay, here. Stop,
Oh, that's way
position.
better.
Ready. Pull right. Left. Right. Left. right, left, 3, right, left, 4, right, left, 5, right, left, then, pull the water, right, left, pull the water, right, left, 7, right, left, 8, right, left, 9, right, left, 10, about 10, stop. When you feel the water having resistance on the arm, that's correct. If there's no resistance on the arm, then you're not pulling properly. Okay? Bubbles then. Okay, stay on the this side of the floor.
Yeah.
On the boy side. Stay on the left. The boy. Okay, we will do it while moving. Standing up. Okay, so this is coordination. Pull. Make sure you, when you're pulling, step the left foot forward. Pull right. Step the right foot. Up until you reach the flag. Okay, when you pull on the right, you step the left foot. Sorry, keep the hand come back. Okay. Okay. Baliktad yung not to use. Sir, bud. For us, coaches, we need to tell you what to do. After it, yeah. Because of my dirty first.
Nice. Wait lang, Louis.
That's here to guide you. Okay? So when you try to
Go. Don't move your head. Don't move your head.
Breathe.
Don't move the head.
You're using this.
No, Ken. Excited. Excited ka?
Why do they people
Ken ba? Dito lang.
Pull. Step. Pull first. Okay, go. You step on the opposite side. Where you pull. Pull first before stepping. Okay. Because that's the simulation when you move on the water. Go.
Hey, you are not running.
Coordinate. Focus. Pull right, step left. Pull left, step right. Get the flat position. Shoulder raise, same level.
Pull ka sa right step lang. Andre,
Go.
pull ka sa right step lang.
Okay.
For you, swim. Below you are in step. Pull right, then step lang.
Solid three. Baba mo. Shoulder on the left.
Drop it. Don't do that.
Squat. Squat, shoulder, raise, same level. Squat.
Oh, we don't need to.
Pull the water. This one? Point the finger. I got for $90. Yeah. Okay. Isayin mong bumalik yung kamay. Balik mo muna. Ayan. Balik mo sa harap. Bago ka
Pagtapos mo mag ganon, saka mo i-step yung kabila. yung paa mo.
No, slow po eh. Sige, next.
Yeah, pagkatapos
One
mo
more.
na to, left naman. Na legs.
Because you move in the water like this.
1, 2, 1, 2. One hand, two
Pull right, step on the left. Pull
legs.
left, step on the right. Yan, coordinate lang ng katawan. This is body coordination. Because when you're pulling on the right, you glide on one side. Next. Mag-ano na tayo? Lalarga na tayo.
Drop.
We're gonna jump na. Gusto mo mag-jump
You want to
ulit?
jump again? Then? You don't have time. Next session. we'll do.
Go, Luis.
Oh, coordinate lang.
1 lang, 1, 2, 1,
Try
2.
to pull properly.
Papaya mo na step yung left. Oh, gano'n mo muna. Go.
Shoulders on the waterline.
Baba ka pa.
Baba ka. Shoulders, waterline.
Same thing. Go.
Yan, baba.
Light first. Kick first.
Go. Hand exit. Okay, like that. Okay, I'll demo. Go, go, go. Okay. Go, mo. Breathe inside. If you're right-handed, breathe on the right, please. Make sure you twist. For you to make it easier, after the glide, put the hand here. Twist. Boom. Twist. Get it. Bubble. Stop. You're wherever you are.
You can even, I will not ask you to go there until you
Go.
Okay. At least you don't stop at half.
Get the air.
Okay?
Then bubbles up.
Until where we stop. You know halfway, no? Where we stop.
No arm.
No arm movement.
1, 2, 3, 4 that.
Like, ganun lang.
4 that.
Ganun lang.
No arms, only...
Ganun lang.
Only hinga. Hinga lang. Hinga lang. Ihinga lang. No arm pull. Hinga lang.
Straight lang. Straight lang.
Oo, straight lang.
Okay,
Side nga daw. Put arm on the side daw.
Like this.
let's practice, huh?
Like when you're supposed to do this, you're gonna put it sa side.
Nice one. Galing ni girl. Go girl. Ay, go Luis. Lalagay mo sa side pag mag-ano.
Wala naka-on. Ha? Wala naka-on. O, ikaw sunod, Bin. Dali na. Dali.
Go, go, go. Glide. Got the feet. Okay. So you're...
Ikaw na, sunod.
Ikaw na.
Okay, good job. Go. Go. Wait. Wait. Kaya pa. Isa pa. Sige, okay. Go.
Okay na.
Ready. Bakit ka?
Goggles down.
Ready.
Ay, kaluwete si Tita Rhea.
Twist the shoulder. Twist the shoulder. Okay. Ready. Tara.
Nagit mo. We'll post this po in the YouTube if I have time to edit. Okay.
Nice stop. Go. Mind twisting. Okay.
Go, Ken.
Right arm on the side. Right arm on the side. Hey, left hip. On the hip. On the hip.
On the hips. Yung right mo, baba mo. Yan. Sa hips lang. Like this, oh.
2, 1.
Go.
Okay.
You can
Twist
do
the
it.
shoulder.
You can do
Get
it.
there.
It's fine.
If you don't twist the shoulder, you won't get there. Ready? Go.
Twist.
Twist the shoulder. Okay, good job. Okay, ready?
Twist.
2, 1, go. Okay. Shoulder forward. You're pulling and getting there.
It's okay.
Okay, that's the gliding side of the pull, of the stroke. Press the left forward.
Push mo muna yung
Left shoulder
ano.
forward. It will force your shoulder to go to the right to get the air. Okay?
Relax. Focus. Ha?
Press.
Ano na?
Okay. It's not pressing. Press the left shoulder forward. Right shoulder to the right. For you to twist on the torso.
Oh.
Okay, good job.
Ikaw muna.
Press the left shoulder
Ilagay ko lang dito ha.
when pulling. Pulling and getting the air. Press. Press. Okay. Good job. Okay, nice.
Ah.
Pull on the right only, not the left.
Ang ganda lang kay Coach. Go, ikaw. Go, Rhea! Hanggang dulo, ah.
Then, press mo yung left shoulder mo forward. To get there. Left shoulder.
Like this.
Reach mo, reach. Like that. Yeah.
Okay, go.
For you to force the body to twist on the right, then get the air. Go. Hindi na pull. Okay. Okay, good.
Go, Julia.
Medyo nakakatingala lang yung ano, chin.
Ulo niya.
Okay, go. Medyo na late. Medyo na late yung ano. Pull hard, twist. Don't hesitate. Pull hard, twist. Get the air.
Ang hirap mag...
No hesitation.
Ay,
Okay, nice. Oh, good job. Mamadali. Okay. Okay. Glide. Glide. Try to glide. Don't rush the drill. Okay, nice. Okay, go.
Go. Go na.
Okay, relax the body. Chill on the chest. Okay, good job. Chill on the chest pa.
Go. Take your
Oh,
time.
very good. Okay, good job. Don't rush. Just do the drill. Oh, don't rush, ha?
Your leg. Your left leg.
Ready? Go.
Ay, ang
Relax.
galing ng pag-glide.
Oh, next position. Okay. Good job. Nice. Okay, go. Chin on the chest lang. Nalilimutan eh. Nag-kick na eh. Ball. Fish. Okay, late. Medyo na late. Pull. Don't
Go,
hesitate the
Luis.
movement. Hesitate the movement.
Go, Luis! Laughing ka pa dyan eh.
Don't hesitate. No hesitation. Ayun, okay. Good job. Go.
I ain't gotta think, but I think maybe I just swim